Hello students, today we will discuss exercise 6.1 and question number 4. The question is adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. So this vertical number line is given. This side name of points are written with alphabets A, B, C, D, H, G, F, E. Okay? And few points are marked. This is called 0. Okay? Here 0 is there and upside plus 8 is written. Clear? So what we have to understand? 0 and upside is plus 8. It means in this direction all positive numbers are there and downside the 0 negative numbers will come. Okay, so now let me start the answering. What is first one? A. If point B is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? Okay, so plus 8 is here. Now we have to find the minus 8. Where it will come? Obviously downside the 0. So from 0 start counting. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8. So where it is coming? At F. So F point is minus 8. So what is the answer of A? It is F. Okay. Now second one, is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? Now we have to check if G is upside 0 or downside 0. Where it is? Downside 0. 0 is there and G is downside 0. So definitely G will be a negative integer. So what is the answer of B? It will be negative integer. Negative integer. Now what is C? Write integers for point B and E. So we have to write the integers for B and C. Let me count. 0 is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. D is coming at 4 and C at 5. Okay, then after 6, 7 and 8 is already given. So B and C સાથે કયા નંબર્સ આવે છે? B સાથે 4 and C સાથે 5. So how we write the answer for C? B is equal to plus 4 and C is equal to plus 5. Don't forget this sign, plus 4 and plus 5. Okay, why? Because they also given here the sign plus, that's why. Okay, now next D. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? Least means સૌથી નાની. તો આમાંથી સૌથી નાની વેલ્યુ કોની પાસે હશે? Definitely negative numbers are the smaller one. Okay, so least negative number, સૌથી નાનો negative number કયો છે? E. So E will be the least number or least integer. Okay, now E. Arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. Decreasing order. Decreasing means bigger then smaller, smaller, smaller and smallest. That is called decreasing order. Okay, so સૌથી મોટો number, that will be D. Then after C. Okay, so from this we will write all the numbers in line. So D, then after C, then after B, then after A, then H, G, F, E, H, G, F and E. So the answer of question number 4 is O. Now question number 5. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of a year. Now, which 5 places are given? Siachen, Shimla, Ahmedabad, Delhi what we have to do? Temperature is given, which is written in words. Okay? Now what is our first task? That is A. Write the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank. Blank તમને આપેલી છે, એમાં ટેમ્પરેચર જે તમને વર્ડ્સ માં આપેલું છે એને તમારે ઇન્ટીજર્સ માં લખવાનું છે. ઓકે? તો યાદ રાખો above અને below. એમાં above પોઝિટિવ થાય અને below નેગેટિવ. લેફ્ટ અને રાઈટ તો એ નંબર લાઈનની જેમ રાઈટ સાઈડ પોઝિટિવ, લેફ્ટ સાઈડ નેગેટિવ. Okay? So this rule you have to remember and accordingly you will give the answer. What is written? 10 degree below 0 degree. So 0 degree thi below. Below એટલે નીચે. નીચે means નાનું. So smaller than 0 degree. That will be obviously negative number. Okay? So below છે એટલે negative લેશું આપણે. So what will be the integer of this? Minus 10 degree. તો CRC નું temperature શું થશે? Minus 10 degree centigrade. Next, Shimla, 2 degree below 0 degree. So this is also negative one, 2 degree centigrade but minus. Next is Ahmedabad, 30 degree above 0. So it will be plus. So plus 30 degree. Then after Delhi, 20 degree above 0. So plus 20 degree centigrade. And lastly, Srinagar, 5 degree below. So this will be minus 5 degree because it is below 0. That's right. Okay, so A over, now what is B? Following is the number line representing the temperature in degree Celsius. So book માં એક number line આપેલી છે જેના ઉપર temperature mention કરેલું છે, which is here. minus 25 degree centigrade થી લઈ અને plus 40 સુધીનું ટેમ્પરેચર નંબર લાઈન ઉપર આપેલું છે. Now what we have to do? Plot the name of the city against its temperature. તો દરેક સિટી નું જે ટેમ્પરેચર છે એ જ્યાં પણ આવતું હોય તેનું નામ મેન્શન કરવાનું છે. So minus 10 degree centigrade is the temperature of Siachen. તો નંબર લાઈન ઉપર જ્યાં minus 10 હોય ત્યાં આવી રીતે એરો કરી અને ઉપર અથવા તો નીચે જ્યાં પણ તમને અનુકૂળ લાગે ત્યાં એ સિટીનું નામ લખવાનું છે. So you will write here Siachen. I'm not writing because it is very difficult for me to write. Okay? So here at minus 10 you have to write Siachen. Then after Shimla, minus 2 degree centigrade. Now where it will come? Minus 2 will come between 0 and minus 5. So 0 and minus 5 ની વચ્ચે આપણે 5 divisions બનાવી લઈએ. Each will be of 1 degree centigrade. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. બરાબર? તો minus 2 means this one, second one. 0 અને minus 5 ની વચ્ચેના નાના 5 divisions માંથી બીજો division, second division will represent 2 degree. So minus 2 degree means this second division between 0 and minus 5. Okay? So that is what Shimla, the temperature of Shimla. Then after Ahmedabad, plus 30. So here 30 is directly given. Right? So this will be the temperature of Ahmedabad. Then after Delhi, 20 degree. So wherever 20 is there, you will write Delhi like this. Okay? And Srinagar, minus 5 degree. So that is also here, minus 5. So this point you will write Delhi. Srinagar. Okay? So that's about question number 5. Now we will go for next question number 6. Next is question number 6. What we have to do? In each of the following pairs, which numbers is to the right of the other on the number line? Two numbers are given. That means one pair is given. And what we have to do? Which number is to the right of the other? જે બે નંબર આપેલા છે એમાંથી કયો નંબર બીજા નંબરની રાઈટ સાઈડ આવે છે નંબર લાઈન ઉપર, that we have number 0 is to the right side of -1. Similarly, for D, E and F, you have to do by yourself homework. Okay, -11 and 10, which one is greater? 10. So 10 will come on the right side of -11. -6 and 6, 6 is greater number. So +6 will come on the right side of -6. And 1 and -100. 100 is greater, but it is -100. That's why 100 હોવા છતાંય એ 1 થી નાના આવે છે. So which is the greater number here? 1. So 1 will come on the right side of -100. Okay. Now question number 7. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in increasing order. What we have to do? We have to write the numbers which are coming between 0 and -7, but in increasing order we have to write. Increasing order means pehla nano, pachi enathi moto, pachi enathi moto, that way. Okay? So 0 and -7. If you will see the number line, 0 will come here and -7 is here. Increasing order માં કીધું છે એટલે આવી રીતે નહીં લખવાનું, because if you write like this -1, -2, -3, then it will become decreasing order. We want answer in increasing order. That's why we will start from the smallest number. Decreasing order means from smallest number. In this reduction we will write. In increasing order we will write, not decreasing. Okay? So the smallest number will come first, and always start the answer with -6, not -4. કારણ કે એની વચ્ચેનો નંબર કીધો છે એટલે એ પોતે એમાં ન આવે. So our answer is -6, -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. 0 will not come. Similarly, B. We have to write the numbers which are between -4 and 4. Okay? So start from the smallest number. -3, then after -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. 4 will not come. વચ્ચેના નંબર જોઈ છે એટલે 4 અને -4 નહીં આવે, એની વચ્ચેના જ લેવાના. ઓકે? નેક્સ્ટ C. -8 and -15. Which one will be the smallest one? -15 એ નાનો છે -8 કરતા. So always start with this, because we want the answer in increasing order. Okay? તો -15 ને તો લેવાના નથી, આપણે એની વચ્ચેના નંબર્સ જોઈએ છે. So we will start with -14, -13, -12, -11 up to -8. And same way D. Okay? So you can understand it easily. Now question number 8. Write 4 negative integers greater than -20. 4 negative integers which are greater than -20. તો -20 કરતા મોટા હોય એવા integers માંથી negative integers આપણે જોઈએ છે. Okay? So if you will draw the number line where -20 will come, suppose અહીંયા -20 છે, તો -20 થી તમે right side જશો એટલે તમને એના કરતા મોટા numbers જ મળશે. Clear? If you will move to the right side, you will get the greater number only. તો -20 થી right side માં કયા કયા numbers આવે? -19, -18, -17, 16, -15, -14, -13 up to -11, -10, -9, -8 એ બધા -1 સુધીના બધા જ નંબર્સ તમે લઈ શકો છો. એમાંથી કોઈ પણ 4 જ લખવાના છે, any 4. Okay? So I have written -15, -16, -17 and -18. You can write any other numbers also, but it must come between -1 and -20. Okay? જો અહીંયા નેગેટિવ વર્ડ ના હોત તો તમે કોઈ પણ નંબર પોઝિટિવ માં પણ લઈ શકો, પણ એ મેન્શન કરેલું છે કે we want the negative numbers only. That's why our answer must come between -20 to -1. Otherwise you can simply write 1, 2, 3, 4 also. Clear? B. What is B? Write 4 integers less than -10. Same question, but now 4 integers less than -10. Write 4 integers. Here it is not mentioned positive or negative, but it is common sense. કે તમારે -10 અને જે મોટો હશે એ જ રાઈટ સાઈડમાં આવશે. ઓકે, સો -8 is on the right side of -10. It is right. So A correct. Now B, -100 is to the right of -50. -50 થી right side માં -100 છે. Is it right? Which one will be the greater over here? -50 will be the greater and -100 will be the smaller. તો -100 છે -50 થી લેફ્ટ માં આવશે, રાઈટ માં નહીં. તો -100 is to the right of -50 is wrong. Clear? ન સમજાય તો નંબર લાઈન ડ્રો કરી દો. અહીંયા 0 છે, અહીંયા -50 છે, પછી 51, 52, 53, તો અહીંયા ક્યાં 100 આવે. Now you only compare which is on the right side. -100 કરતા -50 right side છે. So this statement is wrong. C, smallest negative number is -1. Again wrong. Why? Because -1 is the greatest negative number. સૌથી મોટો negative number -1 છે. Because -1 will come here. 0 થી તરત જ પાછળ -1 છે. તો આ બધા નંબર્સ કરતા -1 મોટો થાય because we are moving in right side to reach up to -1. બરાબર? So this statement is wrong. -1 is the greatest negative number, not the smallest one. Smallest negative number we can't say. Clear? Because the number line is going toward infinite. Infinite સુધી જશે એટલે આપણો છેલ્લો નંબર કયો હશે એ કહી જ નહીં શકીએ. And D, -26 is greater than -25. Wrong. Because negative માં જે નંબર નાનો એમ એને મોટો કન્સિડર કરવો. તો -26 is not greater than -25. Okay, so that is wrong. Now next question. Next question, that is question number 10, we will see in next lecture. So you have to complete your exercise up to question number 9. Okay, thank you. You will write it in your class work.